Hi guys,
This is Kevin,
and I'm Kim.
and back to you again with Kevin and Kim Outdoor Adventures, or also known as KKOA. So we are here to announce we're going to give a giveaway of a 1-year membership to Passport America. So if some of y'all are not familiar with Passport America, it allows you to give 50% off of campsites and campgrounds all across the Canada, Mexico, and all across the U.S.
It's wonderful.
We really enjoy Passport America. Has been really great, and it kind of savings and pays for itself.
Yes.
So we had an opportunity to be able to give away a free 1-year membership. So we're going to give it away to one lucky winner. So we're going to actually do a drawing that we're going to draw on 5/31. So you only got 1 month. So in the next month, all you got to do is just in this video, you can comment in this video and say sign me up. Just give a comment, say sign me up, or better yet, you can go to our webpage at kkoa.net.
Yeah.
And in the webpage, go ahead and you'll scroll across the top and it says 2021 giveaway.
Yep.
When you click on that, go ahead and scroll down through the 2021 giveaway for the Passport America.
Yep.
And put your name and everything down below.
Yes, and maybe you know someone, you might not camp, but you might know someone that does. Send them on over.
Send them over and have them sign up.
Yeah.
So also, give a little comment. We'll give an extra name in the hat for those of you that comment in there on the KKOA.net and comment and say what your favorite video was of season 1 of 2020.
Yeah.
So, but we just want to kind of give back. We're also maybe give away some other promotional items and later on down the road with some of our cups and other items. So we just want to kind of give back, and we want to say thank you. This is our chance to say thank you for all the support and all the prayers and everything that people have given us throughout this whole year and everything else of this adventure.
Yes. So
we hope that you guys have a great season and have a good summer, and we want to help kick it off right. There is no obligation, just a free 1-year membership for you guys to try that have not tried Passport America. So we're pretty excited about sharing this with you, and we hope you enjoy. So once again, we thank you all for visiting us here at Kevin and Kim Outdoor Adventures, or KKOA. Thanks a lot, guys.
Bye.
Bye.